You know what I'm saying? Sleep in class in my song, you know what I mean? Got my little sister on the camera. I love you, girl. No, I'm just playing. But, yeah. I ain't memorized it, so gonna write the shit off the paper. Check it. Fell asleep on the blunt last night, still sitting in school, daydreaming, not feeling right, ready to leave class and go back home so I can sit on my island getting in my zone. I'm trying to get fucked up, fuck school, work, still make it A's before and after school, blowing perp. I'm in class sleeping, in my dream scheming about my next kickback, so much weed, can't believe it. Then all of a sudden, whole vision interrupted, cause my old ass teacher in my face and she fussing. As a nigga like me, I think she tripping over nothing. She was my age, I bet she getting blunted as well. I love the weed smell, but I won't sell it in school. An easy way to get it spelled. Back of the class, ducked off. Teacher better fuck off. I'm passing the class, but I'm high. Let me sleep it off. Every 5 minutes, feel my desk shaking. Then look up, this bitch again, breathtaking. What the fuck? Now I'm finally up. Bell finna ring, I took a nap, nigga, that's what's up. Time to hit the crib so I can relax. And my niggas coming through, smoke a blunt by the pack. So we getting hella trippy and I'm high to the max. School in the AM, know I'm sleeping in the back. It's a different day, same routine. If I take a piss test, I be everything but clean. I ain't no weed fiend, I'm a pothead. Fuck a class of school, work, teach weed instead. Then I pay attention, niggas will finally listen. Until then I ain't trying to hear you bitching. You been teaching blah blah, all fucking weed. So you till you change the subject, I'ma be sleep in class. Sleeping, you know we in class. Sleeping, I'm in class. Sleeping, you know we in class. Sleeping till you fucking wake me up to go home. Till you wake me up to go home. I'ma be sleep till you wake me up. Till you wake me up to go home. Yeah, in class. Sleeping, no we in class. Sleeping. One Click Mafia, nigga, east side the fuck up. Once again, my sister on the camera. Have a good night. Cut it out.